Hi guys, for today's video, we will be crafting a new seed pack here and a crafting recipe. As you can see, we will be selecting a new recipe guys. And there it is, I will be crafting tawag niyan, thorn guys. So we will be getting it here. There it is. As you can see guys, we will be crafting this one. Yes. Hopefully, we will be putting the one cactus seed and nectar seed, one nectar seed and two cactus fruits nut. We will be putting it here guys. There it is. Finally guys, there it is. Magka-craft na yan at we will be getting back in this game and I will be leave muna and rest for 29 minutes. So here it is guys, as you can see, magka-craft na naman tayo ng panibago. There it is, we will be crafting sand coin. Ito na guys, we will be waiting 44 minutes. I will be get back in this game. So here tara guys, itatanim natin yung mga na-craft natin dito sa game na to. Look at that guys, we have unexpected visitor here and that is Cavalcada del Roblox and here it is. Nandito siya sa ating server guys. I think this guy is AFK guys kasi tignan nyo naman guys at look at that, meron siyang madaming dragon fruit, meron siyang beanstalk dito and meron din siyang bamboo. And there it is, meron siyang melon dito and tatlong ember lily and meron siyang pepper here, this one, and as you can see guys, I'm really proud on this guys kasi pinaghirapan niya talaga and so guys, we will be going back on my garden. As you can see there it is, meron din siyang cacao seed, cacao tree pala. So now guys, we will be planting the nectar thorn and suncoal. As you can see there it is, dito natin siya itatanim guys. And I am so excited for the good outcome. So tigdalawa-dalawa lang yung na-craft ko guys. As you can see, actually guys, this is the last day of malapit na ang update. So, konting-konti na lang guys at hindi na tayo makakapag-craft ng ganitong seed. So, namadali ko na lang and there it is, pag yan, dinidiligan ko lahat. And there it is, tignan nyo naman guys, the moment of the truth of nectar thorn. And the sun ko, the next na naman guys. Here it is guys, we will be planting again and using the watering can. As you can see, there it is and we will be watering it again guys. I'm so excited for the good outcome of this plant. As you can see, mas mabilis pa siya guys tumubo isa sa sugar apple. Saka sa sugar apple guys, as you can see, mas doble pa siguro ang presyo nito sa normal pricing niya guys. As you can see, there it is, our perfect sun corn. So here it is guys, I use a sprinkler method. So para mas mabilis. Tingnan naman, medyo mabilis at medyo nag-yellow yung kanyang bunga ng ating nectar thorn. As you can see guys, meron pa tayo dito sa crafting seed but ilang minuto po lang ito guys and as you can see there it is, nagka-craft din ata si Cavalcada del Roblox and hopefully this one and that one guys. And as you can see, meron tayong honey dito, meron tayong hindi pa siya nag-i-end guys, and that is a very good way of trading guys. And meron tayong flower seed pack and bumili naman ako na nito, so nectarine seed. Actually hindi ko na kailangan yan, ito pollen radar yung ginagamit ko ngayon. And hopefully guys, mag-stock yung BA kasi ilang araw na atang hindi nag-stock yung BA. I think yes, after the update, pagkatapos ng update, hindi pa rin siya nag-restock. Hopefully, mag-restock siya ulit. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, I am collecting fruits here, pollinated. As you can see, parang, I think, mag-collect pa tayo. Yes, of course, maybe not. But, hopefully, makakapag-get tayo guys. And I will trust the process. Here, this one, dito banda, kasi hopefully we can get pollinated one, this one. Oh, yan, nakakuha tayo ng pollinated one here. Wow, oh my god, kailangan natin tong, guys, kailangan natin tong i-favorite. Hopefully, mapi-favorite siya guys. I think so. You can only favor fully grown fruit. Okay, okay, noted guys. Noted siya, noted. Kasi fully grown lang dapat daw sabi. Grabe, dito magkukulik tayo dito ng pollinated. As you can see, here, for the moment of the truth, meron. Konti lang na collect natin yung pollinated one. So, ayan. So, andyan pa rin si, tawag niya si Cover Carry Gel Roblox. I know, mahirap i-pronounce yung kanyang username. Oh, and also, subscribe nyo rin yan sa, guys, sa YouTube kasi isa yung nagko-content din yan, tawag yan, pareho din kaming content creator and as kasi makakapag-join yung mga fans and content creators sa dito sa private server ko. And kung isa ka sa guys, gusto makapag-join sa private server ko ay mag-join ka na. And kung gusto mo ma-notice sa mga restocking guys, don't forget to comment and see the comment section and in my comment section, so we will be joined in the Discord server or in my Facebook page guys. Mas easily doon, mas mabilis na makakapag-access, madali kang makakapag-join ng Discord kasi minsan kasi dito sa YouTube at TikTok hindi sila nagpapaano ng link. So as you can see guys, there is it. And meron pa rin si Dale and busy ata siya na tinan nyo, busy ata siya sa kanyang garden guys. He is FK siguro guys. And kung nakawat ko naman sa video na to, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and support us in doing a Roblox series guys. As you can see guys, I will be updating this and on my YT. As you can see, if I am recording this, baka ilang araw ko na din at mga ilang araw ko rin ditong ma-upload guys. As you can see, I am busy in my personal life. And there it is, as you can see guys, as we look up here, lumalabas na siya and I think nag-AFK na naman siya guys. Ito na naman guys that I think automatic AFK siya. So, thank you for watching guys and see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share it to your family and friends and cousin. Thank you. Bye-bye.